Why don't Uber drivers want to drive kids? The kids in this video, they're good kids. But come on, guy. You're my first trip of the night. I just left the car wash. I just vacuumed. Don't leave trash all over crumbs. 18.3 miles per gallon. Started with a full tank yesterday, and all I did was drive for Uber and Lyft. I fill up. Let's see how much gas I used. I made $120 yesterday driving on a Friday night, like 6 hours. I was disappointed by that number. It seems like I'm having a hard time making over $20 an hour these days. So, oh shit. Uber XL, 20 minutes, 7.5 miles. Shoot, I gotta fill up real quick. $23.69. Yeah, 69. That's a good sign when the change reads 69. Slightly over 100 bucks. Fuel is not the only expense that us drivers have. I really made less than slightly over 100. Yeah. What's up, guys?
Hello.
How's it going?
Hunter, you want shotgun? Yeah.
You want the back?
Are you right? I'm right here. Got it? Right there. Oh, no, you literally in the back. Ew. You got a car seat, sir?
A child's car seat?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I got it in the back. Should I install it for him?
Yeah, can you? That'd be really nice. You got an office right here. You're making this nice man wait. So I'm gonna sit right here. You're gonna sit right there.
Most of that food is going to be left behind.
What is that? Oh.
No. Yes.
Hey, swim with.
I broke both my legs. You broke both your
Make your mouth so dry.
The aux cord's back there.
Oh,
we got the aux.
You got the aux?
Did you find it?
Yeah, let's go. We good.
Where's the aux at, sir?
It's like, did you find it?
You got a cord? What up?
I got a cord.
Did you find it?
Yeah, I got it.
It's a thing, right?
Yeah, we good. We good.
It's strawberry?
No, it's hot cocoa.
We can't figure it out.
No. That's not it. That's not it, though. I got it right here. Thought
it was never gonna happen.
You understand this, my nigga. I made him $1 million fucking week.
This time, I'ma skip town, see my wrist down. Everybody wanna fuck with me for benefits. Roll phones moving and gang gon' bust. Brody catch a body, I'ma leave you in the rear view.
I got some cash, I wanna spit. Make no sense, make no sense. Hey, I'm gone. We be like a bag, like a fast shit, like a trap.
Flip got 33, got a clip, bitch. Nigga ain't heard of me, I got a bitch. Got a bad bitch, really shit, Barbie.
Fuck yeah, who knows this song?
I be walking out, chopsticks, mobstick, like a Batmobile, I'm Bruce Wayne, and some license on blood, and my kidneys, my plug is a gypsy, that may kick these niggas on my bench.
And you in some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot.
Look here, bitch, I'm in the valley getting head from a good hair, bitch.
You know YG got arrested yesterday?
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
All this shit. You're like, come on.
Appreciate you, my guy.
Let me out.
It was surprising that I was standing right there and they knew I was gonna see that and they just didn't care. But whoever ordered the car probably had no idea. Dude, they left me a snack. There's something over there, something right here. Look at all these. What is this? Fruit cup, some Pop-Tarts, like still here, dude. Crackers, like wow. My thing is broken. And that, my guys, is why you don't want to drive young people. Look at this. That is pretty. It's a good trip. Oh yeah, and what should I hit them with on the rating, guys? I think that's a 1 star. I mean, they were cool. You know, I'm just gonna give them 2 stars because they weren't totally obnoxious, but that was ridiculous leaving all that stuff in the car. If I wouldn't have checked, my next passengers would have been like, what the? And they did complain about the smell of food. How annoying that this trip, even though it's gonna be over 30 bucks, it's 7.2 miles away. This is why you don't make a lot of money doing XL. Because look at how long you're having to go for your pickups.